So the important thing, like I've said, to remember is that when you multiply the ith row of the first matrix and the jth column of the second matrix, you would obtain the ijth element of the resultant matrix. Yeah, so we can go ahead and try another question here. Let's say we've got this 2, 1, 3, which is of the order 1 times 3, and let's say 3, 2, 0, which is of the order 3 times 1. So the corresponding orders are actually equal, so you can actually get the matrix multiplication product. So the resultant matrix here, so the position here is 1 1, which means that it's the first row and the first column. So we're going to be multiplying the first row of matrix 1 with the first column of matrix 2. So that would give you the ordered pairs as 2 1 3 and 3 2 0. So 3 times 2 6 plus 2 plus 0, which is 8. This is the first row and the first column of the resultant matrix, which is 8. If you would have noticed, the resultant matrix order is actually this times this, which means the order of the extremes of the two given matrices would give you the order of the resultant matrix, which is 1 into 1, which means it contains only one element. So here, if you would observe, this has 1 in its order, and then in this extreme it's 1. So 1 times 1 is the order of the resultant matrix also. So that is another important thing to remember. And we'll try solving 3 by 3, a standard matrix, square matrix. And yeah, so the resultant matrix here, if you would practice this more often, you don't have to write the ordered pairs every time you're going to solve. So this times this. Now for the first row, second column element, we are going to be essentially multiplying the first row of the matrix 1 with the second column of the matrix 2, which is 0. And this is 2. Yeah, and for the second row, first column element of the resultant matrix, it is 3 plus 1, 4. And this is 0 again, and this is again 0, and this again is 2. Yes, this is going to give you 0 because when you multiply the second row with the third column matrix of the third column of the second matrix, it's going to be giving you 0 1 times 0, 0 times 1, and 1 times 0. And the third row first column of the resultant matrix would be obtained by multiplying this with this, so which is 6 0 and 2 8, and 0 again, and 0. So this is the resultant matrix. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.